The Day Gravity Goes Loco by Ryan Maloney. Today I saw with my own two eyes a train off its tracks, flying in the sky. A herd of cows jumping over trees. And a gigantic river flowing right above me. Of course, I saw flying cats and dogs. I saw floating snakes, caterpillars, and frogs. Even the worms had learned to fly. Luckily, so had my neighbor's pies. My friends rode bikes like they were airplanes. Construction workers took vacations because of upside down cranes. The zoo, well, forget it. It was just a mess. Have you ever seen a weightless lioness? The heaviest of things were as light as a feather. My bed, my toys, all flying together. Thank goodness for shoelaces because they held me down. It's the first night I've slept floating off the ground. There's a word in Spanish that means crazy. That word is loco, and it can happen to gravity. Gravity, you ask? It holds things down to the planet. It's like one big, invisible, super strong magnet. So imagine if, for even one day, the gravity slowly faded away. Juice would magically rise from your cup. There would be only one hairstyle, standing straight up. I bet your house would even float into space. Take my advice. Tie it down with a shoelace. And if you see me float by, say hello. On the day gravity goes loco. The end.